guys. So it's a super sunny day. The sun is shining bright. It's 12:15 to 12:20 and I'm leaving for the Acropole Des Draveurs hike. Just from the start, it's a really nice view of all the trees and this big massive rock. And here we go. So apparently the first 2 kilometers are pretty rough. They are really steep. Lots of rocks and steps, so here I go. Hope everything's gonna go well. It's a nice day. Pretty chill by the water. Yes, let's go. Yeah. It is really steep. Just steps of rocks for about 2-3 kilometers. First viewpoint, amazing. $5K. Let's go up there. I'm back to the road. Feels so good to see my little Echo right there, all alone. I think I'm one of the only person who's still here. I might stay to go capture some stars over this. Yeah, the adventure keeps going on.